everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is a continuation of the series on ways to adapt curriculum and learning resources for your child. These ideas can be used in the home setting or school setting, so it could be for your child or even one of your students. So let's begin. We are looking at ways to use double-sided tape to allow some of our wonderful activities that we find to be a little less frustrating and also a little bit more rewarding for our child or student. So I found these pattern block mats on prekinders.com. It was a free resource. After I printed them out, I did laminate them and I applied double-sided tape to the actual mat here. So I do not have magnetic pattern blocks, so I just try to use what I have on hand. So I applied the double-sided tape to the actual pattern itself, and as my children complete the activity, I encourage them to put a little pressure on it, helps them to stay in place. And when it's complete, then we can often hang up our work, prop it up, and they can see it as often as they like. What I found is in doing this, they are more encouraged to do more and more of them. So it's just like lots of coloring pages. If your child is into coloring, they'll do a bunch of them and then they're all done with it, but they love to come back and see their work on display. So this is just another way that we can do art in our home, and they will have a finished product that they can really be proud of here and come back and see multiple times. So, have you ever done something like this with double-sided tape? Do you have any other tricks or tips for pattern block mats? So please leave your comments below, share your ideas. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Do stay positive and see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.